Hey YouTube, this is Airsoft Elite doing an airsoft gun review on an Mp40. Starting here with the battery. This is a 1100 milliamp 8.4 volts mini battery. The Mp40 mag is a 40 round or 50 round, my bad. It uses a speed loader to feed the BBs into here, right there. I bought one, came with one. Gotta have a speed loader. I use .20 gram BBs. I believe they're best. Starting here on the bottom, there is a little switch there. See right there. That just pretty much turns the motor on and off. You've got your sling mount here, your retractable stock, which runs here, which is folded out, all snapped into place. This gun is entirely metal. This is all metal. Receiver, upper guard, all this barrel, all this. The only plastic part is this wood look. Everything else metal. All of it's metal. That's what I like about it. It's heavy gun, like 7.5 pounds, somewhere in there. Got this kind of annoying orange little sticker here. This is your selector switch up, semi-auto. To the side, it's full auto. You got your bolt thing here. It's kind of cheesy. Doesn't really, it's no spring, no nothing. Kind of crappy. Don't really like it. This pulling that back reveals your hop up, which is kind of hard to see, but like right there, there's a little pushing slide that you slide for your hop up. Ammo obviously goes right here. Fits pretty nicely. Mag release, little circle button there. Press that in, pull out. Comes out. To access the battery compartment, you have to pull on the little knob here, pull it and turn it, and that locks it up. Then flip it over here, and you just this just slides right off. The entire receiver completely comes off, exposing the gearbox and wire, which then your battery fits in here. Fits pretty snug. Not too snug, but it's pretty nice. All metal barrel, really nice. Another sling here. So that's my review on the Mp40. Really nice gun. I'd suggest getting one. It's pretty awesome. Comment, post, subscribe. Be awesome. See you guys later.